Very good morning to the viewers. Uh, as we know, we are passing through unprecedented times, and every day watching the news on the TV sets only increases our depression, seeing the patients suffering from COVID-19. I thought I must share my experiences of having got infected by COVID and how I quickly recovered from COVID. This is important as I see a lot of unnecessary panic in the minds of people, and at the slightest symptom they are rushing to the hospital, resulting in an overload to the hospital. So let me share my own story. And um, in my house there are two small children studying in their age being 7 and 4, and I have daughter and son-in-law less than 40, and my wife. uh, and it started on the 1st of April, when I live in house khas area, and I was walking to the shop and returning in the hot sun. I didn't feel anything, but when I came home, a slight discomfort was being felt, but no other major symptoms worth noticing. So I didn't bother about it, uh, and I was doing my usual work of consulting. But around 4th or 5th, that feeling of discomfort was kind of persisting. No other kind of symptoms worth mentioning. So just to be on the safer side, I told my daughter to get all of us getting tested for COVID. So the guys came home and took our blood sample, and that was 7th of April, and it so happened that I was tested positive, whereas all others were negative. Uh, but the good thing was that I was always wearing mask and keeping safe distance from the family members. But as soon as I was diagnosed as positive, I quarantined myself in my bedroom, and the first thing I did, and this is important, was to do a teleconsulting with the doctor. Accordingly, I was recommended to consult Dr. Romel Tikku, the doctor from Max Hospital, and I at the same time I also booked for another teleconsultation from another doctor from Nagpur, which I got the slot of 2:30 in the afternoon, but Dr. Tikku was available at 10:30, so I opted for Dr. Tikku. And his very calm and assured kind of a manner put me at ease, and he just checked, got some preliminary information about my symptoms, and I had practically no symptoms of breathlessness, cough, nothing. So he recommended medicines. um, uh, the medicines, it was a long list of Pantocid, Fabiflu, and this Fabiflu was a 200 milligram tablet. First day I had to take 9 in the morning, 9 in the evening, so 18 tablets, and then tablet in case of fever, Dolo, Zincovit, Selin, Monter, Ecosprin, and syrup of Depura, 60,000 units. These are basically vitamins. But most important, he asked me to maintain every 4 hours my oxygen SpO2 level. But to be on the safe side, I started measuring, and you can just see I sort of started measuring every 5 minutes, and the good thing was that my SpO2 level always hovered between 98 to 100. Normally doctors recommend a 6-minute test, that is, you have to do a brisk walk for 6 minutes and measure your SpO2. If it is less than 95, then you have a problem. But even walking 1 kilometer, my SpO2 level always was above 98. So that was a good sign. What I did was I started cleaning my room with Dettol all the time whenever I get a spare time, and one of our doctor friends recommended this Phyto Relief. This is to ensure that there is no cough, and this is also a vitamin kind of a thing. I strongly suggest that you chew this tablet throughout the time. I lost my sense of smell. Fortunately, the sense of taste was okay, and being a South Indian, I used to have a couple of idlis and a very light kind of a diet, but a kind of a regular diet throughout the day. In my case, since I have a little blood sugar problem, there was a bit of a concern, but the great realization was that COVID is actually in between 2 years. It is actually in your mind, and the first reaction is the moment you are diagnosed, you have to get onto the bed. I refrained from doing that. I am a consultant and I do a lot of project work across the globe. So I started consulting more actively with my clients in Nigeria, in Australia. I mean, people were surprised how I could be so energetic, but that feeling that nothing is wrong with you is extremely important for you to overcome this panic. It helps you to remove your depression, and I finished my course of medicine on the 10th day. Dr. Tikku told me that I am okay for going out of my bedroom, but still, since children are around, I always use my mask. I clean my room, I wash my clothes, and there is not a speck of dust in my room. And I think that optimism that this is not a great kind of a worrying kind of a disease. Take care of yourself, follow the medical regimen correctly, and you can very easily, without going to any doctor, I mean without going to the hospital, you can take care of yourself. So that is my message to everybody. Don't get scared, be on top of COVID, and I am sure all of you will be perfectly okay. The more we get panicky, the more we get worried, the corona sits on you. It's actually a wrestling, and in that wrestling you need to come on top. That's my message. Thank you very much.